Side eye. I love that dog.
Yeah, that dog don't like other dogs.
Yeah, that's why I don't like sitting over there. Well, I mean, their tails are wagging. I think they're just protective of the property.
They're just saying hi, possibly. Wait, what's that bird over there? Oh, flying right there.
Oh, he's flying.
No, he's flying.
Look at his legs straight out.
So I was wondering what the other bird did, scare him away or what? What's
I didn't
this?
know they flew like that. What they like?